Hey all, this is Rebecca Eisen, Human Resources Manager at Hazon. My favorite thing about working at Hazon is the importance on food and being outdoors. I'm in my backyard right now. I'm loving it. I'm loving the greenery. I love being fully immersed in nature. But also what I plan to do after this video is eat some healthy snacks because I know how important it is to get something in my body that's nutritious and that my body can use so I can think at the highest ability and do things at the highest ability. And what that might be could be biking around the neighborhood or joining in on our vision rides. So I urge you to take a look at our 2020 vision rides or look into some of our educational resources to get some ideas on what you can do to be more healthy and more sustainable in your day-to-day.